Yo everybody, welcome back to Water Closet channel. Today, another parcel. From where? China? Probably, yep. Ta-da! Sender, Do Wei Quan. I don't know who is it, but yeah, let's open it. Dun 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 dun. Side. Side. Thăng a bit slanted. It's okay. Okay. Ta-da! My invoice, throw it aside. That's it. Nothing more from the box. That's it. Today we have Mi Smart Band 4C. Mi Smart Band 4C. You know guys, I have previously unboxing this Mi Band 4 and also this band from Huawei. Both are nice. Static look, this one President, and battery life, this one is the champ. Basically this thing can last for like almost a month, about 25 or 26 days in one charge. Yeah. And this thing, today, this is a cheaper version of this band. I'm not sure about the battery, but based on the official statement there, they stated that this can last for 20 days, which, not bad for this price. Bought this about 30 plus Sing dollar. This thing, I bought it 1990. Yeah, 1990, which is less than 20 Sing dollar. Half of the price of this thing, man. Basically, the features here from this thing is exactly inside here, except there's no swimming tracking. Yeah. So let's take a look at the box here. 5 ATM. This is the water resistant. All-in-one charging. I don't know how's the charging now. Because previously they're given this dock here, so you just pull it out, then snap inside the dock, then you can charge. This one is all-in-one charging. I'm not sure whether this is same as the Huawei, which is integrated inside here. Then it has a multiple exercise modes. Okay, similar. All these have multiple exercise mode. They have color touchscreen, heart rate monitoring, sleep and step auto monitoring, which is good. You can track your sleeping style, when is your deep sleep, how many hours you've been sleep every day. Okay, let's from behind here. The model is HMSH01GE. Is a lot of color here. We got black, Nero, Noel, Negro, Switch. No, all these are actually reflected the black color, right? Just in different language. Okay, my bad. The IP rating is what? 5 ATM. This is not IP rating. This is just the water pressure. Okay. So it's compatible with Android 4.4, iOS 10 or above. Okay, package. Oh, there's a lot of things here. So the manufactured by Xiaomi, made in China. Okay, one paper box. All this. Mi Band 4C color black. So basically, I have no other choices but black here. How are we supposed to open it? Oh, I see. I should use my knife here. Okay. Okay. Top access. Let's see what we have here. Ta-da! Oh my God, that's it. What? Just like that? Not even another box. So there's other things inside and... Oh, come on. Can do better than that. There's more thing down there. No. That's it, actually. Just a cupboard inside. Nothing more, nothing less. But what is this thing here? I'm not sure. Oh, should I just open this up? What is this thing doing here? I don't know. Should I snap it? No. It's a box. Okay. What is this? Manual. Oh, see? Just like the Huawei, you can just snap it on, then the charging port is actually at the bottom here. Without further ado, let's open this baby here. Simple. Because it's cheap. And yeah, the band is quite flimsy here. But anyway, quite sturdy. Not bad. How to pull this up? I don't know. How to charge it. Let's see the menu. How are we going to pull this out? We just snap like that. See? Snap like that. It's not like this Huawei. They have the niche here. Then you just open it. When you press it, you can just release it. But this one don't have. Nope. There's no button. So you just snap like that. Oh my God. Will I break this? No. Oh yeah, it's very tight, but it's openable. See that? Yeah, great. Then the sensor. See, the sensor is actually bigger, but it's like more flashing. It's flash at the back compared to this one. Actually, it's not flash. It's the entire thing is pop up, so it makes it like more flat compared to the other one. So basically they say they can open, oh, I accidentally just popped this on. So it's a touchscreen. Then got this European thing. Oh, the screen is nicer compared to this one, you see? This one is quite down and smaller, the screen, but this one is, oh my god, see the comparison? Basically, it's better, I think, although the price is cheaper. And it claims I have 20 days of standby time, which with this screen, I think is much better than the old one. Not the old one, is it? Yeah, it's the old one. Okay, let's try to pair it up. Pair first, then we turn on our Mi, then go to add band, agree, searching, bring band closer to the phone. No, of course. How to pair it? Oh my god. I need to stop a while, then I'll try to pair first, okay? Basically, it's another different apps to connect this one compared to this one. So I have to download it and open it and try to. Doesn't matter, still need to sign in. It's Mi account, so it's really this is lousy. You still need a Mi account to do this. This is really no good, Xiaomi. Terrible. I still need to set your that's stupid. Okay, then you enter your date of birth, and then access any seating. Next, and your height and your weight in kg. Done. Then now you can add your device. Oh, see the new apps. It just stated that Mi Smart Band 4C. You have this thing here, add a device. Then it search for device. Then there it is. Agree and continue. Your phone is successfully connected to the device. Pair with phone? Of course, yes. Pairing successfully done. Main feature. Select different feature. Straight away, it updates the date here. Allow. Xiaomi, where your location, allow. So go to the next. Heart rate workout. Weather themes, done. And straight away, give you an update, even though you just downloaded it. And this thing launches about 1 week only. Then now you have to update everything. Push to device, just a second, 6%. Download speed is quite fast because I'm using. No, I'm not gonna tell you which telco I'm using, but it's kind of fast. And my parents is downloading something in the other room, so this probably is good, the speed, because it's connecting to China server, right? You still have to cross the China firewall. Okay, let it update first. So we compare this one and this one. So the strap, this one a bit smoother compared to this one. This one looks rugged a bit. But the screen, I mean, you see the difference of the screen. It's way better. It's bigger, that's why it's bigger and it's better. See, when you wear it, just like tuck here, and oops, that's it. That's why Huawei did it better. The strap never slip through your hand, no erase. And this is a bit troublesome for this kind of strap. You need to find the correct hole to poke in. Meanwhile, the Huawei one is actually quite convenient. Oh my god. This is really not a good design. Anyway, it's cheap, it's acceptable. And not really acceptable if you can't wear it properly, right? Even you spend the money, you can wear it properly. And what's the point, right? Oh, it's frustrating. Let's see how the Huawei wear it. It's super simple, come on. You see the Huawei one? When you open it, you snap it in. You pull. This got easy, right? This is how you wear a thing, man. Xiaomi, come on. Ditch this. Do a better one. Stupid. See if it really can pop down here. It's not even can pop down the hole here even if you're not wearing it. This is a flaws and now you can go in. How the hell am I going to snack it in if with my one raise here? Okay, I'll try it again. Oh, wait a minute. It's updated. So I can got it. Okay. Synchronize. Don't show this again. Turn on band display. Time 1. So you can select. You can apply. What's the thing here? Apply. Oh, straight away turn that. This is the original one. So you apply. Actually, oh yeah, it just turned. Funny. Also, I prefer this one, so I just apply. Yep, it's changed straight away. When you go online, you can search for more other different things, just like the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 previously. Oh, see, you got this. Wanghua, Chunyang. I think this is the game. They're like 3 sword or something. Sword 3 games. The character here, and then all these all the characters are from the games. For an old guys like me, I need like something very. This one is nice. The flower, man, flower. So it's synchronizing. See how fast can it does. Okay. 61, 65. It's not that fast compared to the Mi Band 4, but this one still acceptable. So we apply, it's become like this. So we go back. What else? You can set alarm here. No alarm setup. You can add alarm. So I don't need it now. So go back. Have notification, user guide, additional setting. What is it? Heart rate setting, ideal alert, leave reads to view, turn off, start time, end time. You can set when you want to turn it, then your lights up. So the schedule is like that, because during the night you don't want it to leave out, then you can see the waste of energy, okay? Synchronize weather, of course, find device, check for update, about voice, so you can still unpair from here. And user guide, nice. Can't connect, I already connect, but a bit funny. All this can be done. Started, basic, pair, health, alarm, weather, music. Oh yeah, definitely can control music, right? Can't get music on my band 10. Sure, so I'll tend to use the band. This is status here. Okay, look closely, man, closely. Status, next heart rate, workout, weather, notification, more. Do not disturb alarm, teams, music, stopwatch, timer, find phone setting. Okay, I'll just start with the music here. Okay, play. Any sound? Can't get a song name, what the hell? So I think you still have to turn on here before you go to there. So let's listen some song that I listen lately. Oh, I'm pairing with my Bluetooth speaker there. So basically you can't hear anything. Yeah, can you hear that? It's behind me. So let's see what's here. What we have in the band here, okay? Swipe down, swipe up. Oh, you can't swipe down. Oh, you can. More, notification, weather, workout, heart rate. That's it. More. Under there's music. There is playing now. So I press forward. Oh, it can control. Nice. This is another song now. Happy, right? How to control. This is volume up, volume down. Okay, next song. Can you hear that? It's a nice speaker there. The V-Boom speaker. You can take a look on my open box. The sound is perfect. With that price, oh, triple thumbs up for that. You hear that? It's very nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. I think this strap needs to be improved. Or maybe a few more pops, then you can go in easily. Hopefully. And that's it for the unboxing for today. Xiaomi Mi Band 4C. It's a cheap thing. $19.90 Sing dollars compared to this $30 over dollars. And compared to this $30 over dollars, almost $40 dollars. This is totally worth the price. Even though you're having problems, wear it. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Bye. Okay, I'll teach you how to wear this. First, adjust your size to the hole that you want. Then, snap it in. See? Now it's in, right? Then, pull the top part open. Yeah, like that. This is how you wear the Mi Band 4. Else, you won't be able to wear it very tightly. And you can't snap the notch into this band hole because it's just damn too tight. And now that's it. You're wearing the Mi Band 4C. Very good. Damn it, Xiaomi.